What is going on? It's Mr. Sam Lopez right here at MrSamLopez.com. Team Good Life, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all the social media platforms that we're on. Welcome. I just want to show you a quick thing. Kind of like people have been wondering how I do my intros, and a lot of people out there do their intros on video. Like, it looks mad professional, 1080p, high end, but I've been using this for a couple of years now, and it's really cheap. You probably saw people charging like $2,000-$3,000 for video intros, and I have some news for you. A lot of them are using this website, and they're charging top dollar for something they paid probably $7 or $8 for, and they're charging you $100 and up. I've seen people charge up to $3,000 for these videos, and that's crazy. Are they getting it? I don't know, but if they have the guts to charge that much, they must have some kind of a target audience out there. And if they get one sale in 6 months, they just made how much of a profit? So you buy a video for like $9 and you sell it for $3,000. That's the type of money people are making off of this. And I just want to show you what I use. IntroChamp. And you can create amazing video intros online. They have outros also, and they also have logos as well. But let's just go through a quick tutorial of how to do an intro using IntroChamp, and the details will be in the detail section where the details of this video will be. Sometimes it's on top, side, left, right, or the bottom, depending on where you're looking at this from. So where you're watching from. Let's use this. I use this for one of my videos, and you can hear it has audio as well. So I use this for my Blaze Bible study. So let's customize it. So you put your text here. Let's just put the Blaze. This is how I do it on my Blaze Bible study. Makes sense, right? With the fire and the sound effects, that you can put any sound effect you want actually, but we're just gonna keep it generic for now. Images, you can put images and JPEGs, PNGs, whatever you want to put there. Let's choose a file. And I'll just throw up my logo for the Blaze. Open that up, and let's just pick some audio. I'll leave the audio alone so that we don't waste too much of your time. Just show you how easy this is. Save and preview. I'm not a robot. I'm so glad they do that, because so many bots out there is driving me crazy. And that's it. Let it do its thing. It's going to show you a preview. Now the preview, don't be afraid. The preview is not going to be 1080. It's not going to be 720. It's going to be real low end on a preview. That's just for them to give you a quick preview fast, and so that when you won't be waiting 5-10 minutes for this to render. So that's why it's going to look a little bit shaky, and as it's only a preview, but you'll get the 1080p when you order it. So we're at 70%. It's a little longer here. Real time, here goes 100%, and here's the preview. And that's how I make my intros and outros using IntroChamp. So just to let you know, nothing to hide. I don't have anything to hide, really. If I use it, it works, it's good, use it. Instead of paying $100 for the same exact type of intro, you could get one for what? How much is this one? $8.38 for 1080p. So for less than $10, you got a high-end intro to your podcast, your video, YouTube, Vimeo, whatever, and however you want to use it. Enjoy. Details are under the video, side of the video, wherever the details are located. from where you're watching this from. All right. So peace out. It's your brother, Mr. Sam Lopez. God bless you. God keep you. Remember, God is good. Peace.